That's right, guys. It's me, James Sweeney, coming at you right now from the balcony at the NYSE. And me, right now, I'm full of energy. You know why? Because it's a holiday. Well, it's almost a holiday. And in a few hours, we're going to have the ball drop and the markets, they're about to close. And here, we do things in a certain way. You know how us New Yorkers celebrate? We buy these things. I know I look a little silly right now, right? But you think these are cool. Just wait till you see this. Ah! That's right. And don't forget, it's almost 4 o'clock. The markets, they're about to close. And you know what? Heck with it. It's an early edition. That's right, an early holiday edition of Happy Hour in the Big Apple. Now it's the final trading session of the year 2014, and U.S. stocks, for the most part, were higher earlier but have since turned downward. This due mostly in part to lower oil prices as well as mostly weak economic reports. Now, speaking of those economic reports, we first begin with Chicago PMI for the month of December. That came in at 58.3. However, that was below expectations. At the same time, we do have pending home sales figures. They rose only 0.8% during the month of November, only 0.8% because that was, of course, below expectations. This from a downwardly revised reading back in October. And at the same time, on the jobs front, we had weekly jobless claims figures. That number managed to edge a bit higher than expected to come in at a total read of 298,000. Now you team that with oil prices continuing to slide once again, gold prices losing yesterday's rebound, as well as a lack of earnings, a lack of corporate news, and most of the global world having to be off today, then you have yourself a session where, for the most part, decliners were just ahead of advancers approaching the closing bell. Let's now take a look to see how the Dow Jones is about to close out the session, and not just any session, the last session of the year 2014. And lastly, instead of closing with corporate news, because, well, there was none, we'll take the papers, we'll throw them in the air, and we'll just say to you, on behalf of JS3 Multimedia and these silly, funny-looking glasses, Happy New Year to you all. And may you all have a generous and prosperous New Year. And that's right, I'll see you guys on Friday because the markets are closed tomorrow. A reason to celebrate. And hopefully you guys are safe as well. So until Friday morning, until the year 2015, I'm James Sweeney saying, yeah, I'll see you guys in 2015. Bye!